So, this is charismatic trainers and public speakers boot camp. So, but what is charisma? What do we mean by charisma? हम कुछ लोगों को होता है हम कहते हैं यार वो बड़ा charismatic बंदा है. It's like बड़ी उसकी personality बड़ी charismatic है. Sometimes वो बंदी बड़ी charismatic है, वो बंदा बड़ा charismatic है. So is it like charismatic लोग जो होते हैं ये कोई बड़े खूबसूरत होते हैं देखने में, बड़े attractive होते हैं? What is charisma really? What really makes someone charismatic? कि क्या चीज होती है, क्या फैक्टर्स होते हैं, और इज इट समथिंग कि कुछ लोगों तक मखसूस है कि हम कहें यार उसके अंदर है और मेरे अंदर नहीं है, उसके अंदर हो सकता है और मेरे अंदर नहीं हो सकता, और इज इट अ स्किल दैट वी कैन एक्वायर? Okay, let's look into that. Let's understand this. Okay, so first chand basic cheezein about charisma. So charisma is a compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire devotion in other people. It's like आपने देखा होगा जो बड़े charismatic किस्म के लोग होते हैं, okay, बगैर किसी का नाम लिए अगर आप देखें दुनिया भर में आपको ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे. एक्टर्स हो गए, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हो गए, पॉलिटिशियंस हो गए, पब्लिक फिगर्स हो गए, रिलीजियस फिगर्स हो गए. People who are considered like charismatic, they have some kind of influence on people. Okay, in fact, there were some researches I read many years ago किसी किताब में, and they said कि जो political candidates, एक is more competent, the other is more charismatic. The charismatic person has so far been winning compared to more competent people. Okay, because charisma जो होता है that attracts people. Okay, but ये जो charisma है ये है क्या चीज? It's like ये quality है क्या, और ये कौन लोग होते हैं? Charismatic people share some common traits. Okay, and when we say traits, remember ये जो traits होते हैं, this is something which you and I can acquire. एक गलत फहमी ये होगी कि हम ये समझें कि जी वो फलाना जो है वो ज्यादा charismatic है. Okay, एक छोटी सी सिंपल सी चीज आपको बताऊं. charismatic लोग वो लोग होते हैं कि जब हम उनके साथ होते हैं वो they make us feel good, they make us feel important. Okay, it's not that they are beautiful, it's not that they are good looking, they could be just as ordinary as me and you, but when you are with them they will make you feel important, and that is what makes them attractive. Just think about this. It's common sense की आप बात करें. अगर फर्ज करो कि कोई इंसान है जो देखने में बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही हसीन, मर्द हो या औरत हो, डजंट मैटर, बट जब आप उसके पास जाते हैं they make you feel like crap, they make you feel like nothing. And then there's another person who's like just an ordinary looking person, ordinary sounding person, not very qualified person, but when you're with them they make you feel special. Naturally आप किसकी तरफ ड्रॉ होंगे, naturally आप किसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगे. And when I ask this question, like most people, they say, to the person who makes me feel special. And that is what charismatic people do. So when you are with other people, if you want to be charismatic, if you want to develop a charismatic personality, you want to become a charismatic speaker, a communicator, start, making other people feel good around you. That's the bottom line. That's the simplest thing. So how can we do that? Let's quickly look at this.